Hey, it's Sam here. Thanks for coming to this bonus page for Ecom Profit Machine. And I'm excited about this software today. The main reason I'm really excited about it is that the guys have really worked hard to make this a no-brainer, not only for people picking it up, but the software is really, really good. And they've also offered in reseller rights as well on the front end for just $27, which is really cool. About a month ago, they came to me and asked me what would be really good for my audience. And I suggested that they do something similar to reseller rights. That would be quite good. And what they've decided to do is take that to the next level and offer it not only on the front end, but also on the OTO1 and the OTO2. Now, in my email, you would have seen links to those two products in the funnel. And if you do want to check those out, you can do that. Now, the software itself is really cool, and I'll show you that in just a moment. But first of all, because it's reseller rights, I wanted to show you the sales letter here, because you'll be able to use and download this sales letter right here. And I encourage you to watch this not only from the perspective of learning about the software itself when you get the chance to, but also have a look at it from the perspective of you being able to sell with the sales page. You'll be able to edit any part of this, and you'll also be able to completely customize it, make it your own, add your own name, add your own brand, add your own face to it, and you also have these pre-created for you, these packages, so you'll be able to start selling them right away and making money with these. Okay, let's get into what you get when you get into the software. Now, when you get into the software, there are a couple of upsells, as I mentioned, and if you're not too technical or you don't want to set this up yourself, there's actually a setup service here as well. Now, that setup service, I believe it will have a cost. I'm not 100% sure. I'll ask the guys and include that in my email. But you don't really need that. There's training in here on how to set up the software, and it's quite easy to set up. If you go to the main dashboard here, you'll actually see that there's a number of training videos on how to set up the software, how to license it, and how to update all of the settings as well. So you'll be able to set this up, you'll be able to start reselling it, making money through that, and depending on which package you get access to, you'll either get more resources or less. You'll get the download here, which is download the software. It's just a matter of clicking and downloading, as you can see here. I've already downloaded it. Yes, I will be purchasing this myself. And you've also got your sales page here and your members area here as well, which you can download and again start update and install. And they've got training on how to use that as well, which is quite cool. Now, once it's installed, this is what the software is going to look like. So you'll see here you've got total products, you've got total visitors, people online, products viewed. It's a full Ecom business website, basically, kind of like Shopify. This is what it looks like on the outside. So this is the admin area. This is what it looks like on the outside. And this is what you can create. This is one of the sites that was created. I asked the guys to create a website for me, and then I went through and I've done some editing as well. You can see here you've got ads up the top, which you can use to monetize. You've got your e-commerce products inside here, which you can use to rank in Google. You can add multiple videos or different videos from different sources. You've got a description, Amazon reviews that are pulled from Amazon to save you having to write these in yourself. You've also got the ability to buy from Amazon, and when people who visit your website click on this, you'll actually get a commission when they buy. So really quite cool. They can share, they can tweet, they can use Pinterest, you can advertise this page on Facebook, you can have your own reviews added, and you can also add categories up to this top bar here. So the site itself, it looks professional. If you went to this website as a visitor who has a genuine interest in camera gear, for example, if that's what's selling in your e-commerce site, that would be quite interesting. You'd probably see this as a professional and a good option to have a look potentially at buying one of these cameras. Now, the description and data you can actually pull from Amazon as well. So you'll be able to pull all this from Amazon. It does it automatically. It's really quite easy to use. So let's have a quick tour around what's in here. So first of all, we've got the catalog. Now this is categories, products, brands, reviews, and settings. Let's start first in settings. We've got Amazon settings, eBay settings, Commission Junction settings. Now these three are all affiliate products. So you can promote stuff from Amazon, you can promote stuff from eBay, stuff from Commission Junction, and you can get paid for doing that. Compliance basically is where you've got the About Us, you've got disclosures, privacy policies. This stuff's all filled out, and they've actually got some resources that you can use to help you fill these out or add them into your website as well if you want to. Amazon, again, is really easy to connect up. It's just a matter of grabbing your affiliate ID, your access key ID, your Start access key powered by, and there's training on that as well. It's very easy to do. As long as you've got an Amazon account, it'll be quite simple to do. I've got my own Amazon affiliate account. It didn't take long to set up at all. Makes it quite simple. So you can have a look for reviews. You can search by reviews that are being placed on your website. You can categorize by brand. So if someone wants to search for GoPro, for example, everything that GoPro owns under that specific brand, they'll be able to do that on the website. You've got products. These are different products that have been called in from Amazon and other places. So you'll see that they're added here. And when you call them in, it's just a matter of doing a search. You basically will go through, you'll add a product name, it'll provide some suggestions that are available, and you can search on Amazon, search on eBay, search on Commission Junction, and you can find products that are based on these terms. So if I went into, say, camera, I probably want a specific product name, but I could say filter, it'll filter those. I could say search on Amazon, and it'll grab that data as well. So I could say camera, search, filter, and here it is. I can then add these to my website really instantly by just clicking here. I can go down and I can go add to my store. All right, and these two items will be added to my store as soon as I've selected them and then added them to my store. It's really easy to populate your store. There's no manual work required. If you want to improve on your listings, you can do that. All right, if you go into your products, you can actually improve on the listings by clicking edit. If you want to add to the description that it's called from Amazon or eBay, you can add to it. That'll help with your Google ranking. And if you want to change any of the data here as well, you're able to do that through these options here. You can add images, you can add rewards, designs, videos. There's a lot that you can do with this, and it would rival Shopify in terms of its flexibility and the amount of products and what you can change in a product as well, which is really quite handy and important for your customers when they get access to an e-com store. So the store itself, you've got store settings. These are overall settings for the actual store. You've got your branding, you've got your images, your name, your country, tax information. You've got your currency that you want to take payment in, what payment you accept. You've got your checkout information, details. You can actually get affiliates to promote. Affiliates can actually promote your website if you want them to, and you can offer them a commission percentage for doing that. Which is really quite handy if you've got a lot of people that start purchasing from you and want to refer their friends. You've also got images here that you can add overall, FTP, mail, server, Google, and these are all things that are installed to basically make it easy to not only capture emails through this, but you can send out emails from this software as well automatically if you want to people that have purchased. Send them receipts, for example, and you can also capture them as leads. Now you've got here design. You can actually adjust the layouts of design. Each page can be adjusted. Menu colors can be adjusted. Theme can be adjusted as well. Right now they've only got one default theme here, but I believe there's some upgrades which include some additional themes. And we also have customers database here as well. So everyone that purchases, you can keep them in a database, send them emails, email market to them, encourage them to buy more products. You can also review the orders as well that have been placed on your website. And you can do marketing. So you don't have to sell e-com products from, say for example, you don't have to sell affiliate products from Amazon or anything like that. If you want to, you can actually add your own products to this website. You're not limited by having to sell affiliate products. Prizes, downloads, Facebook, sharing. We've got points as well. We've got autoresponder settings. So we can integrate right now Aweber and GetResponse as our autoresponder providers. And then we've got here system, we've got users, and we've got users that are actually registered on the website for a shopping cart. And then you've also got backup and restore. So if anything goes wrong, you can actually export a backup. So you've got your website backed up, and if something dreadful was to happen, like your server was to have some issues and everything was to be deleted, which never really happens, but if it did happen, then you'd have a backup right there as well. One of the reasons you need a backup is just in case a hack was to happen or something like that. It's very rare, but it can happen. So important that is available as well. You've also got notifications here and a support desk as well, where people can get in touch with you. So really quite cool, very flexible, and for a resale rights for $27, this is quite substantial. And it's going to be so easy to make your money back. All you really need to do is sell one of these site accounts. And there's people right now paying $97 per month that are getting a solution that does less than what this does. So I think it's quite an exciting opportunity. And it's one of the better products that I've actually gone ahead and reviewed in terms of value that I've seen over the last few months. So if you're into e-commerce, this is going to be great to set up your own sites and pages in your own e-commerce website. Even if you're not into e-commerce, this is going to be great to sell online because it includes resale rights, which is really a no-brainer for $27. And it's a type of package that I will pick up and use, sell in my business and make money with. So I encourage you, if you want to make money online, you like the idea of selling e-commerce, catching that trend and being able to sell to that a niche, then this is a good opportunity to do that. Thanks for listening. This is Sam Becker. I look forward to talking with you again soon. See you later.